Hello, beautiful people. I hope everyone is doing okay. Today, we're gonna share a wonderful recipe of white radish cooked with shrimp. Sounds yummy, right? As you can see, the colorful curry in front of you, all we need is rice. Just kidding, you can enjoy that with bread also. So, we're gonna peel off the skin of the white radish first, and then we're gonna chop them into circular pieces. If you want other size or shape, it's fine too. We're gonna add oil to the pot and then raw shrimp, and we're gonna keep stirring the shrimp, but you also can take a break because I don't want you guys to break off your hand until the time to add our white radish to the pot and mix the radish well with the curry that we were making before. And we're gonna cover the pot with the lid so the radish can boil properly. I have added 4 chilies on top. I will add some chopped cilantro to add more flavor to the curry and mix them well. After some time, you can open the lid and check if the radish has been cooked properly, and then you can serve them either with rice or bread. If you guys have liked this video and this wonderful recipe, do share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and stay safe. Take care. Bye.